Wait a minute, what if you lost access to your crypto? Not just a dip in the market, but completely locked out. Sounds like a nightmare, right? For anyone holding Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, this isn't just a hypothetical scenario, it's a real risk. And that's where Bitwala backup keys come in. Now, Bitwala, for those unfamiliar, was a platform offering a seamless way to buy, sell, and manage cryptocurrencies, including the ability to earn interest. While Bitwala has evolved, the core concept of securing your crypto remains crucial, and understanding backup keys is a fundamental part of that security, especially if you're using or have used similar non-custodial wallets or are considering self-custody. Think of your crypto wallet like a digital bank vault. You wouldn't leave the only key lying around, would you? That's essentially what a backup key prevents. It acts as a recovery mechanism, a fail-safe that allows you to regain access to your funds if something goes wrong with your primary access method. So, what exactly are Bitwala backup keys? In the context of non-custodial wallets like the ones Bitwala offered, these backup keys typically came in the form of a 12 or 24-word recovery phrase, also sometimes referred to as a seed phrase or mnemonic phrase. When you set up your Bitwala wallet, or any similar non-custodial wallet, this unique sequence of words was generated for you. This phrase isn't just some random collection of words, it's the master key to your entire wallet. If you lose your phone, it gets damaged, or you forget your PIN, this recovery phrase is your last resort. By inputting these words in the correct order into a compatible wallet, you can restore your access and your funds. Why is this so important? Because with non-custodial wallets, you are in complete control of your private keys. Unlike exchanges where your crypto is held by a third party, with a non-custodial wallet, only you have access to these keys. This gives you greater autonomy but also greater responsibility. If you lose your private keys or the means to access them, no one can recover your funds for you. There's no forgot password button in the world of decentralized finance. This is where the backup key becomes your lifeline. It's the one piece of information that can save you from the devastating experience of losing your crypto. Now, how do you handle these crucial backup keys? Firstly, you should have written them down exactly as they were presented to you, in the correct order. Digital copies are generally discouraged due to the risk of hacking or malware. Instead, a physical copy stored in a secure, private location is highly recommended. Consider multiple secure locations for added safety. Never share your backup keys with anyone, under any circumstances. Legitimate support personnel will never ask for your recovery phrase. If someone does, it's almost certainly a scam. Treat your backup phrase like the most sensitive information you possess. Furthermore, be careful where you store your written backup. Avoid obvious places, and consider methods to protect it from physical damage like fire or water. Some users even opt for more robust solutions like metal storage devices. Understanding and safeguarding your backup keys is paramount for anyone serious about holding cryptocurrencies in a non-custodial manner. It's the foundation of securing your digital assets and ensuring you maintain control over your financial future in the decentralized world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.